comes out.
Oh, we left her at the Chinese theater. She was still standing in the wet cement, signing autographs and posing for pictures.
Oh boy, he's nailing Kermit there too. You know that they're tearing apart. We ran off stage, and I do remember a couple of the Muppets got hurt.
Oh, we left her at the Chinese theater. She was still standing in the wet cement, signing autographs and posing for pictures.
Well, don't worry, Floyd. I'll be careful.
Oh no! Everybody back to Walt Disney World!
Hold on, Kermit. I've got to sneeze.
Oh no! Emmy Lou, find us some pickaxes!
No, that's myself, bro. I'll help you with pickaxes. Oh, we'll make him sneeze.
Oh no! Everybody back to Walt Disney World! Emmy Lou, find us some pickaxes!
Come on, guys, let's go! We'll save you!
Jump!
Uh-oh! I think we're under attack!
What are you thinking?
No, we're not. We're under a roof. See right up there?
He's right. We are under a roof. And it's being attacked by
The one notes from Planet Monotone. Ooh. Say, I don't know if anyone told you this when you came in, but in addition to being the director, you're also the official attack stopper. Sorry to hound you.
Yeah, he's real dogged about this kind of thing. Say, you guys, I got the vinyl on a Bebop automatic outer space transceiver thingamabob.
Oh, darn. Can't we watch one of my movies instead?
That might make them go away. Yeah, you know what happens if they don't capture the one notes?
What?
We have to sing monotone.
Officially declare the money.
I can't believe it, Bean! You were right!
But what are we gonna do? The dog's gonna eat us all!
Do you know where Lady Holiday's baseball diamond is being kept?
No, I'm not! The dog chased me. I ran and I ran and I ran and it was horrible. He barked and barked. Horrible! I'm never going out there again.
Is that any way to wish your big, brave brother good luck?
No, I'm not! The dog chased me all around the lettuce. It was horrible!
Oh, and did he have horrible teeth?
Yeah!
Oh, and horrible eyes? And horrible ears? Are you sure you weren't looking in the mirror?
Oh, Lucky! Lucky! It isn't funny! It's not funny!
Look, Bean. There's got to be a way to escape.
It's Mother!
Coming, Mother. We better go see what she wants.
Not me. I'm not leaving this room.
Is that any way to wish your big, brave brother good luck?
Wait here, Luxie, and leave the dog to us.